Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to connect your social accounts with your Boma account. In Boma, you have the ability to send content over multiple social media platforms. These platforms are Facebook, LinkedIn Business, LinkedIn Personal, and Twitter. Let's connect these accounts. First, click on the Settings tab. You will then automatically land on the Social Media submenu. In here, you will be able to click on the Connect button to the right of each platform. And once you have entered your credentials, you will then be able to choose what page you would like to connect to. For example, Facebook. I note that for Facebook, you will need to connect using your personal login details. But once done, you will be prompted to select the page that Boma will connect to. In this case, you will need to make sure that you are an admin of the Facebook page to be able to connect to Facebook. If you would like to learn more about connecting your social accounts, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.